start by adding some vanilla chips to a bowl, and we're going to microwave them until they're melted and stir them till smooth. Then we're going to add our frosting, and this is just a can of frosting from the store, and it's vanilla. And finally, we'll add some cherry flavoring. This is cherry candy flavoring, just to boost the cherry flavors. And give it a stir, and then we'll add dried cherries and chopped pistachios and give that a good stir until it's well incorporated. And then we'll spoon that into a square baking dish. You can use a 9x13 baking dish if you prefer. And we'll smooth it out. And once it's all smooth, we're going to set it aside to set up either in the refrigerator or on the counter. And we'll cut it and it'll be ready to serve. And that's how easy this cherry pistachio fudge recipe is. And if you'd like the recipe, head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.